Here at ADAMAR Industries, not only are we ensuring high-quality manufacturing with our tools and products, we also have developed a packing and shipping process that defends against damage during transit and includes helpful information about the tools you receive. Every product that is manufactured is given a lot number so we can account for quality and warranty support. Being that we manufacture and keep hundreds of a certain product in stock at any time, we use these lot numbers to be accountable in the instance that a flaw or quality control issue is discovered with the product down the line. This allows us to look back and isolate when and how a problem or issue occurred. The first thing you will see opening an ADAMAR package is the crumpled packing paper we use. This paper fills the void around the products, adding substantial rigidity to the shipment. After unboxing your product, you will notice that there are some tags and QR codes attached to the tool handles. This QR code leads you to the tool resource page in ADAMARindustries.com. This page contains manuals, usage instructions, links to our online catalog, instructional videos, and calculation reports on each tool we offer. Along with the QR code, you will find a hardware package containing all the parts needed to assemble your tool. Assembly of your tool is straightforward, and you can always refer to the manuals on our tool resource page via the QR code if you have any questions. With our tools that have the option for different attachments such as the sling-stik, you will find identical packaging and hardware, but the attachment themselves will be shipped separate. The attachment box contains all necessary hardware to install the attachment and a QR code taking you to our informative tool resource page. Installation of attachments are as simple as tightening one bolt, and now your new ADAMAR product is ready to keep you safe in hazardous work environments. Since 2016, ADAMAR Industries has been designing and manufacturing our no-touch safety tools in the United States in Phoenix, Arizona. Our tools are built with an unrelenting focus on quality, durability, and usability. We ship our tools domestically and internationally every day and hold large volumes of stock so orders ship fast. Our team of no-touch safety professionals are ready to help you with any questions you may have so you get the right tools for the job into your employees' hands. Contact us today and let us show you why we are the leader in no-touch safety.